don't know if you can hear me. I'm out on the patio at my favorite little wine bar. As y'all can hear, it's fucking pouring down, raining. I love, let me show y'all. Let me turn around. Okay, so I love this weather. This is one of my favorite wine bars. So it's one of those like pour as you go kind of. So there's like probably like 50 to 100 wines and whiskeys now that you can choose from. And you just kind of go and pour your shit. I got a little rosé, a little Mediterranean rosé right now. I came during lunch, so I have soup and salad coming. Yeah, soup and salad. And so you just scan this here. You just scan this, and then you just get what you want. So I'll show y'all like my food and stuff like this. But it's Tuesday. It's literally 2 o'clock. This is one of the reasons I love working for myself and working from home. Because I needed this, believe it or not. Shit has been stressful, so I really just needed this time away. Mimosa's tucked at home, safe and sound. My mom is at home, and I just needed, one of my friends met me here briefly, but I just needed some time to clear my mind. So yeah, I'll check back in when my food is here. I got one of my notebooks. Let me see. Y'all know I love a happy planner, so I use Day Designer for like my week to week or day to day planner, but Happy Notes, like just their notebooks, oh, top tier, because I can pull the sheets out, things like that. So I'm just gonna be writing and stuff like that to the rain, and then I'll check back in when my food comes. I got French onion soup, some salad with lemon vinaigrette, not ranch. You know, we don't do no ranch.